Hi, this is b.Eastman. Today we're going to be talking about what makes a star account executive. Some of the key points may be surprising. The context for this recipe is what makes an account executive worth the money that they're being paid by the vendor and what makes it to where they're consistently able to meet their numbers from the same set of accounts. The account executive has a dual role working for both the account, which is the customer, and the vendor, which is their employer. From an account perspective, they understand the customer and how they do business. From the company's perspective, they provide predictable revenues from those enterprise accounts. From an account's perspective, what is it that they expect from their account executives? Basically, they look at this account executive as their employee that's being paid by the vendor to represent their interests and their understanding of the account's problems to the vendor so that the vendor can solve those problems. They have credibility and trust. They understand the company's business and the key issues associated with that business. There's no need to train or educate them on the company's business. Many accounts have commented on the fact that they have to retrain an account executive every time the vendor changes the account executive assigned to their account. They understand how they do business. They understand the key terms and the conditions that they're going to expect associated with their agreements and the business terms. They know how to get things done within the account. They can effectively navigate the account at all levels to get things done associated with the initiatives that they're working on. From the vendor's perspective, they consistently deliver the numbers. They effectively manage the vendor's resources. They can translate and match the vendor's products to the account's problems and vice versa. They can translate the account's problems to the way that the vendor looks at their products and their delivery of the products. They know key players in the accounts. They can call and schedule meetings anytime a discussion needs to take place on any given issue. And they know how to get things done within the account. So where do their loyalties lie? The account executive may value the relationship with the account above their relationship with the vendor. Their long-term value is based on their understanding and ability to close business within these enterprise accounts. They'll protect their accounts from risk of failure from the vendor not being able to deliver or having a product that's not quite ready for the market. An account executive may have a very successful career over a very long period of time selling to a handful of enterprise accounts from multiple vendors. In summary, an account executive is invaluable in providing insights and guidance working with enterprise accounts. Their role is managing an effective relationship between the vendor and their accounts to result in success for both parties. Account executives are going to be very protective of their accounts and not exposing them to the risk of failure. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or would like to discuss further, please feel free to send me an email or leave a comment in the section below. Thanks and have a great day.